In this exercise, we're going to work with pictures as well as OLE objects. That's object link embedded. In this drawing, I've already inserted a picture. If I select the picture, Caddie confirms it's a raster image. This is actually an ECW file. So for those that missed out on the previous launches, to insert ECW files, we go to Utilities, Batch, insert your reference, ECW files, and it can be either ECW or JP2 type of file. So I've inserted my ECW file, and now I want to bring in an OLE object. Now your OLE object, it can be like a Word or a PDF or Excel. So I'm going to bring in an Excel. So I'm going to open my Excel sheet. I'm going to select the content that I want to insert into Caddie. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say copy. I'm going to minimize my Excel, and in Caddie we go to File, Insert, Insert OLE Object. It's going to be embedded, and I place my Excel. So now at the moment, have a look and see. As soon as I'm going to zoom into my picture, Caddie will update or refresh automatically, because by default with your installation, it's set to auto regen in the environment set. Same as if I go to my OLE object, it refreshes automatically. Now, if for some reason you would like to control it, in other words, you're working with a lot of ECW files or OLE files, you would like to regen manually by pressing R on the keyboard, then the setting is under Configure, Environment Settings. On the left hand side, we go down to OLE. Then you'll see there's an option that says OLE Refresh. As I mentioned, it's set by default with the installation to auto. You double click on auto and you can change it to manual. And same as with pictures. If I go to pictures, I can expand the ECW JP2, refresh, change the auto to manual. So if I'm going to say OK, now it's set to manual. So if I'm going to zoom into an area now, it will display blurry. But as soon as I press R on the keyboard for regen, then it will refresh your layout. So let's just zoom out, and as you can see, nothing will update. As soon as I press R for regen, then it will refresh. And the same as when it comes to my OLE. Blurry till I'm going to press R for regen.